Now we want to enter and edit a simple formula. So remember, formulas in Excel perform calculations, and the calculations that we're working with are simple addition, multiplication, and maybe even averaging. So remember that a formula in Excel worksheet, it's always going to start with an equal sign. And so we refer to that as the formula prefix, the equal sign. It's going to be followed by a cell address or maybe a range of names, some values, and some operators, some calculation operators. And so the calculation operators will indicate what type of calculation that we want to perform on the cells or the range or the values that we have indicated there. So let's get started. Let's click in cell G5. And remember, this is the first cell where we're going to insert our formula. And so we want to calculate our gross pay. And so in order to calculate the gross pay, we need to add our regular pay and our overtime pay. So we're going to do this first for Peter, and then we can actually copy this or fill down for the remainder of our employees. So we want to add our regular pay. So remember, we begin with an equal sign. And so we're going to add our regular pay, which is the value that is in cell E5. And we want to add that to the overtime pay, which is the value that is in cell F5. We're going to go up to our formula bar and hit the Enter key. And that value is now displayed in cell G5. We see the formula displayed in the formula bar. And then notice that our total, because we carry that all the way over, it's automatically displayed down below. Let's click in cell F5. I'm in cell F5, and so we note that here the formula in this cell calculates our overtime pay, and what it does is it multiplies the overtime hours, which is in cell C5, twice the regular hourly rate. So we multiply that by twice the 2 by the hourly rate that is displayed in D5. So we want to click to the right of the 2. So my cursor is blinking to the right of the 2. Notice as I click inside my formula, inside my worksheet, the cells are color-coded, and so it helps us follow along with the formula. So we're going to increase this and multiply this by 2.5. And so we'll go ahead and enter in this change. And again, we will see the overtime pay has been adjusted as well as the gross pay. Alright, so let's go ahead and save our work. And we're going to stop right here.